Well, good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells. And today we're going to do a room review. So the room today is at the Gava Waterman Resort in Brac in Croatia. So come and join us. So our room is a garden room, a deluxe room, and we're in A32. Oh, there's Julie sat reading, and we've got a nice little seating area outside here. Well, of course, as soon as you try and do anything, somebody starts mowing the lawn or cutting the fence. Anyway, so room 32A. Open plan wardrobes.
But it's very, very nice.
It is nice.
I like it.
Open wardrobes. Not a big fan of open wardrobes, but there we go. A couple of drawers. A safe. The safe is extra charge. It's €1.50 a day if you want to use it. It's a nice big safe. Fridge under here. And I keep drinks cold, that's useful. Flat screen telly with about 50 channels, but most of them in what you would expect, foreign languages, German and Russian, and of course Croatian. There is some news channels on there. Kettle, we requested a kettle in the room before we actually arrived. We just emailed the hotel and asked that there would be a kettle in the room, and they said, yep, no problem at all, we'll do that for you. Seating area, I would imagine again that would be 2 beds if you had children in the room with you. A nice king size, at least a king size double bed with the really nice mattress, firm yet soft, if you know what I mean. It's kind of one of them hyper mattresses, really nice. Overbed lamp. There is a drawer down there and a side table. And there is no drawers. Side table at this side, but it's fine. Plenty of room, a very roomy room. I'll probably put some video in here of before we messed it up, this room. Air conditioning, it's an LG inverter aircon, works really well. Very, very quiet, really nice. Telephone, and what you have here all over the hotel is free Wi-Fi, and it seems to be fairly fast and very reliable, so that is good. And as you can see, Julie sat there on the terrace outside. Little tip, if you come in here to this hotel, bring your own towels for the sunbeds, because they charge you €15 each for towels. Now, I don't know if you get to keep them or not for that, but it's just the standard charge. It's €15 a piece. Big mirror. And through now into the bathroom. So a very, very nice bathroom. I can see through the camera here that the lights are flickering. Of course, to me in here, they're not flickering. It's the camera that's catching that. Nice shower, hot, powerful shower. Clean, very clean. Toilet, sink. And again, very large mirror with an over mirror light. No storage cupboards in here, it's all out. Hairdryer, and what wouldn't be allowed in the UK is the main socket for the hairdryer, obviously, but it's also right next to the sink, so I don't think that would be allowed. Nice big double sink. So, a deluxe room here at the hotel. If you're interested in seeing the rest of the hotel, then there will be a link at the end of this video for you to click on to take you straight to the hotel review and give you a full tour of this hotel. Okay, so that's a very quick room review, not taking very long, and hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.